Yo, phone users, want to find your YouTube Watch Later playlist in 2025? This 2-minute guide's super easy. Smash that like button and subscribe. Let's go. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your iPhone. Tap the red YouTube icon on your home screen. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Step 2. Save a video to watch later. Find a cool video like a gaming clip. Tap it, then hit the Save button below the video. It's the bookmark icon. Tap Watch Later in the pop-up. You'll see Save to Watch Later. Done. Step 3. Go to your library. Tap the Library tab at the bottom right corner of the app. This is where all your saved stuff lives. Step 4. Find Watch Later. In the library, scroll to the Playlist section. Look for Watch Later with a clock icon. It's private, so only you see it. Step 5. Check your playlist. Tap Watch Later, and boom, there's all your saved videos. Scroll to pick one and start watching. That's it. You're set. Like, subscribe, and drop your favorite video type in the comments. Peace out and happy watching.